Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share some updates on .SAMA. So first of all is about the crowdloan. So crowdloan right now, the Polkadot crowdloan, we only have one project, the Omni BTC, and the Omni BTC has been there for a long time, if I remember correctly, maybe a few months even. Finally, they get the chance, they probably can win and get a slot because there's no competitors. And it's also funny to check the Kusama on the Kusama Crab. So congratulations, Crab win the slot with only 11 KSM. And what is more funny is Robnomics, they put 10 KSM. So hopefully in the future it's not like 10 or 9 and finally 1 KSM. Then probably we can also build a parachain. We can build a project and attend this parachain. So this is just updates on the crowdloan. And the second thing is about the Phala Network. Phala Network, they are going to have one important updates. The Phala reward will be reduced half. So the first halving will happen on November 21st. And they do have article to go over that. And so I will just briefly go over this one. So basically they describe the first halving, when it will happen, and it's going to be November 21st around 2 p.m. And the rewards, you can see that it's from 129 to now 97.2, and it's keep going down for all the rewards, and so it's more and more difficult to get the rewards now. However, they do have more utilities, and one of the famous one, I think a lot of you may heard about that, is the Phala Network, the Phala World NFT, and I do get one of that, but this is just one of the utility. They are going to have more, for example, the Fed contract, sub-bridge, and also some future products. They are going to use the Phala token, and this would be great. And they also talk about the some other exciting things, like how to use Phala to access their compute resource. And if I remember correctly, if you have the NFT, probably you will have some utility there as well. So Phala Network is Web3 cloud computing. If they can make it, I think it would be wonderful for the whole ecosystem, and it will be useful as well. And so the next one is donate their poop. Finally, you can convert that into SAMA. They are going to build the layer 1 network now with the NFT-based governance model. And so they will start with the EVM chain, then now they are going to move on to the parachain on Polkadot. I don't know whether they are going to do the crowdloan or something. Maybe they can self-fund. It's probably easy to get the slot anyhow. And finally, Darwinia. I haven't been able to update Darwinia for a long time, but they do have a monthly recap, and in the monthly recap, they talk about the updates. They already have a lot of collaborations with other parachain, including like the Moonbeam, Pioneer Finance, and also the Phala, Bifrost, and with Nova Wallet. They also have the aggregator of the selected bridge, Henix, and also some rewards. So they do have a lot of updates from the Darwinia, and they also have the community events like the Summer Nights. I think it's on Thursday, that one, and also the ambassador and developer. So a lot of updates, really nice. Okay, so that's all about today's video. Just go over some important updates in Polkadot, and I hope all of you are doing well, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.